Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
Alright, so Dreesy's about to fly the Latrax Alias, y'all. You gotta press this in right here.
Okay.
One time. And then take it up. Okay, stand up and fly it, because why are you sitting down over there? Or leaning down or whatever? You know I get nervous when you're flying this. From what happened last time. Green is the front. Turn it around, you're going the wrong way.
Okay.
Drop it, Drees, drop it! You're not in sport mode, you're in slow mode. That's why it's flying slow like that. Let me know when you think you're ready for sport mode. I think you need to stay in this mode though. Fly it forward. You brought it back. What are you trying to do? Why are you taking it up so high? I don't think you can do flips in this mode. Try to flip. I think you have to be in sport mode to flip. You press the shoulder button. You gotta press the shoulder button. The button up top. It's not letting you. You gotta be in sport mode. It's not letting you flip. You're not flipping.
I'm not trying to flip.
Oh, I thought you was going to push the shoulder button to try to do a flip in this mode. But I think you have to be in sport mode anyhow.
I was doing the jump thing we always do. You know, the thing where you go high and then you stop flying and then you go flying again.
Yeah. You mean the free fall thing? Letting it free fall?
Yeah.
Here he is, guys. Drone Dreesy. This is his way of having fun with this thing, I guess. Free falling it. The green is the front, that's all. Let me see it. Give it to me. I'll bring it back up.
I lost track.
You lost orientation? What?
Yeah, I lost track on what track.
Okay, that's all right. Okay, so the Latrax Alias is flashing. Let me see if I can get it back ready. Here we go. It's in sport mode. Meow. This thing is an awesome flyer. Sheesh. Sheesh, I didn't mean to do that many flips that close. Uh-oh. I wasted the battery, Drees. It's beeping already. Ready to come in. I got a little excited with flying it. One of my favorite quads to fly. The Latrax Alias. It's ready to come in and land. The Latrax Alias, guys. Drone Dreesy. Thanks for watching.